won't get that distant when I'm on a match, trying to double up the price. Like a landslide, trying to see the top.
Hey guys, welcome to Magic Gimmick Tutorials, and in today's video I'll be teaching you the flash pass. It also is a variation of the Herman pass, which I actually haven't done a tutorial on that. Stay tuned for that. So anyway, let's get into the tutorial. So I'll take the top card off, the Jack of Spades. I'll leave it face up. So what you want to do is cut the pack in two, and then you want to hold this back in your mechanics grip like this. And then the move that you want to perfect is kind of like flipping the pack like this using these three fingers. The index finger is just like a guide finger to make sure it doesn't fall out of your hands. So you just want to get this basic movement perfected really. And once that's done, I reckon the trick would be a lot easier to do. So Jack clubs this time. You want to get the basic movement, put the pack on top, and then follow through. But the angle you want to have it is your spectator looking down at the pack directly, not on the side or anything. So cut the pack in half, do the flip move like this. While you're doing the flip move, you want to cover this pack using this the harder half of the deck like this. And once you're like this, you're in this position, you want to flip it like that and then follow through. Yeah, just angle is key here, really. That's all you need to worry about once you've got all the movement done. So the angle, so you don't want to, you don't want to leave like areas here like that, because I can see what you're doing. You want to cover the full right side of the pack like that. Alright, so it's like the Herman pass, but you know what, actually I'll do it on the side here so you can see. Cover the pack, then do the movement. But if you want to do it really quick like I did in the performance, you want to just quickly cut the pack, and then as you're gonna put this pack down, you quickly do the flip movement like this, like that. So cut, something like that. Alright, so just practice this, and then the trick will look a lot better. I'm telling you, that's guaranteed. So just like that, and yeah, so that's really the trick. You just need to focus on, well, the flip action, which is that, and the angle and the cover with your, well, right or left hand. Alright, so thank you for watching the video, and stay tuned for more uploads like this one.